Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, standing at a towering height of 8,848.86 meters, 29,031.7 feet above sea level. It is in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and China-Tibet. The mountain is known in Nepal as Sagarmatha and in Tibet as Chomolungma. Mount Everest has long been a symbol of the ultimate mountaineering challenge. The first confirmed summit of Everest was in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa of Nepal, as part of a British expedition. Since then, thousands of climbers have attempted to reach the summit, with varying degrees of success. The ascent of Everest is a serious and challenging undertaking, requiring careful planning, physical fitness, and mountaineering skills. The extreme altitude, severe weather conditions, and the technical challenges of the climb make it one of the most dangerous mountains in the world to climb. Despite its challenges, Mount Everest continues to attract climbers and adventurers from around the world, drawn by the allure of standing on the highest point on Earth. However, the increasing number of climbers has raised concerns about overcrowding, environmental damage, and the safety of climbers. One of the most tragic accidents in Mount Everest's history occurred on May 10, 1996, during what became known as the 1996 Mount Everest disaster. Several teams were attempting to summit Everest, including two commercial expeditions led by Rob Hall of Adventure Consultants and Scott Fisher of Mountain Madness. On that day, a combination of factors, including a late start, delays due to crowded conditions, and unexpected severe weather, led to a series of problems that culminated in multiple deaths. Several climbers became stranded high on the mountain, including Hall and Fisher, who both tragically perished due to the extreme conditions. One of the most well-known survivors of the disaster is Beck Weathers, an American climber who was left for dead but managed to survive a night exposed to the elements. His story was later recounted in the best-selling book Into Thin Air by John Krakauer, who was also on the mountain as a journalist at the time. The 1996 disaster prompted a re-evaluation of safety procedures and protocols on Everest, leading to changes in how expeditions are organized and managed. It also highlighted the risks and challenges of commercialized mountaineering on the world's highest peak, sparking ongoing debates about the ethics and safety of guided expeditions on Everest. Overall, the 1996 Mount Everest disaster serves as a tragic reminder of the dangers inherent in high-altitude mountaineering and the importance of careful planning, experience, and respect for the mountain's unpredictable nature. In recent years, there have been efforts to address these issues, including stricter regulations on climbers and expeditions, and initiatives to clean up the mountain and reduce waste. Mount Everest remains an iconic symbol of human endeavor and the spirit of exploration,